Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Benny and I'm on a journey of growing my natural hair. I share DIYs of how I've been growing my hair, and I also share DIYs of skincare, so please just hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I made this face mask, and these are what we'll be using to make the face mask: the ball, Vaseline, blue seal Vaseline, egg, and half a lemon. So these are what we'll be using for this face mask, and everything is nice and clean. So firstly, we're going to use the egg. We're only using the egg white. So I'll just bring the egg white out of it. So now I will be adding in the half a lemon. So make sure you're using half lemon. I will just squeeze it in, and I'm using this sieve so that the seed won't get inside the mask. So after then, you just mix it together. So I will be adding a tablespoon of Vaseline inside the egg and the lemon juice. After adding it, I will just mix it until it dissolves. The egg white in this mask help to firm the skin by removing excess dirt, oil, and dead cell in the face. It also reduces puffiness under the eyes. It helps to firm and shrink your pores, and also protect your face from UV rays. Lemon juice. Lemon juice contains natural vitamin C and antioxidants that help reduce skin damage and also premature aging. Vaseline will lock in moisture in your skin. It will keep your skin moisturized and also slow the sign of aging on your skin. So guys, I'll be showing you how I'll apply this on my face. I just washed my face now. So you make sure you wash your face before applying this mask on your face. So I'll be applying the mask with my hands. So guys, please, if today is your first time in my channel, you are welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post my video, you'll be the first to be notified. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also you can also leave a comment in the comment section telling me what you think about this mask. So I'm just giving you a closer look of how it looks on my face. So you make sure you apply it all over your face, under your eyes, everywhere. I also add it to my lips because it's also good for the lips. So this is the first mask. I'll leave it to sit on my face for 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll wash with lukewarm water. Okay guys, I'm back. I've washed my face and I already added my face oil. Jojoba oil is for face and also for hair. So I've already added a little to my face. That's why you see it shining like that. So yeah, just massage the oil into my face very well. And now I'll be using my face cream. So this is Nivea Q10 Plus C, the anti-wrinkle face cream. So I just recently started using this face mask. So I just want to see how it feels. I've been using it for a week now, and I must say I really love it. The one I was using before was just aloe vera face cream, and I decided to try this out, and I love it. So I will just apply this face mask on. Sorry, I will just apply this face cream on my face now. Massage the cream in, rub it all over my face, my neck, so it will keep the face moisturized all day. So just take a closer look of my face. Wow. So I'll just finish it up with my Vaseline lip therapy. This Vaseline is very nice for the lips. So I just apply this on my lips. So I'm done for today with my face. So I apply this Vaseline therapy on my lips morning and evening. It's very nice for the lips. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe. Bye.
So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Isaiah 41 verse 10.